Hello, AI enthusiasts. Welcome to a new deep dive. Building on our previous talk about matrix multiplication where we chain transformations, we are shifting gears to another pillar of machine learning, probability basics. Most videos on probability jump straight into dice games, but they miss the fundamental intuition of uncertainty. In this video, we want to show something different, how probability is the mathematical bridge between what we know and what we can only guess. By the end of this video, you will finally understand the landscape of maybe, which most explanations completely skip. Imagine a weather station observing a specific region. Before we can predict anything, we need to know everything that could possibly happen. This collection of every single possible outcome is called the sample space. Think of it like a skybox containing every type of weather marble: sunny, cloudy, or rainy. If these are the only three things that can happen, they form our entire universe of possibilities. In our skybox analogy, the box itself is the sample space, ensuring no outcome is left behind. Within this large sample space, we are often interested in specific outcomes. We call these subsets events. For our weather station, an event might be a rainy day. But an event can also be more complex, like the occurrence of either rain or clouds. Think of it as reaching into our skybox and picking out only the marbles that match our criteria. By defining an event, we are essentially drawing a boundary around a specific slice of reality that we want to measure. Probability is measured on a strict scale from 0 to 1. A probability of 0 means an event is absolutely impossible, like a sunny day having 0 marbles in our box. A probability of 1 means it is absolutely certain to happen. Think of this scale like a volume knob for reality. At 0.5, we are at the point of maximum uncertainty. Every prediction we make falls somewhere on this line, quantifying exactly how much we trust an outcome. To calculate the probability of an event, we look at the ratio of successful outcomes to the total number of possibilities. In our weather station analogy, if our skybox has 10 marbles and 3 of them are rainy, the probability of rain is 3 divided by 10, or 0.3. This simple division allows us to convert our physical count of marbles into a precise mathematical coordinate on our probability scale. It tells us that for every 10 days we observe, we expect 3 of them to be rainy based on our current knowledge. Every event has an opposite, which we call the complement. If the probability of rain is 0.3, then the probability of it not raining must be the rest of the marbles in the box. Think of it like a light switch. If it is not on, it must be off. Because the sample space covers everything that can happen, the probability of an event and its complement always add up to exactly 1. This is a powerful tool because sometimes it is much easier to calculate the chance of something not happening than the chance that it does. We have seen how probability allows us to map uncertainty using sample spaces and events. By treating the unknown as a skybox of possibilities, we can assign numbers to our expectations. This foundation is what allows artificial intelligence to make decisions in a world that is rarely black and white. Whether it is a self-driving car calculating the path of a pedestrian or a language model predicting the next word, it all starts with these basic building blocks of chance. Next time, we will explore how these probabilities change when we gain new information. Subscribe to master the math behind machine learning.